Hello, Jeff Snyder again with another Gateway video. Today I'd like to talk to you about a different way to speak to selling insurance by starting out and asking you to not think about insurance. Let's just talk about capital at work for a moment. What is $1 million worth? It's not a trick question. $1 million is worth $1 million. But what it represents from an income stream standpoint is a little bit different. For example, if you were to invest $1 million investment portfolio into an income producing portfolio, you might, in the market we live in, the world we live in today, gross 5%. Pay your taxes, net out 3%. So that $1 million of capital invested into an income producing portfolio represents $2,500 or $30,000 a year. It's a little bit different than $1 million. All right. Put another way, $500,000 is worth half of that income stream, or $15,000 a year. $250,000 at 5% gross, 3% net after tax, again, in an income producing portfolio, only represents $7,500 of annual income. So, I talk to people about buying insurance in blocks. If a block of $250,000 worth of insurance represents $7,500 of income, how much income would you like to provide? Well, do the math. If I want $15,000 a year, I'd need 2 times $250,000 of capital, or $500,000 to generate the $15,000 of income. If I wanted $22,500 of income on an annual basis after tax, I would need $750,000 of capital, or 3 blocks of $250,000. $1 million is worth $30,000. $2 million of capital is worth $60,000 or $5,000 a month. When you break insurance down into simple math and a net after-tax rate of return, it becomes very easy to talk about how many blocks or units of insurance do you need in order to provide an income for your surviving family. Hopefully that idea is simple, effective, and something that you can use in your practice. If not today, then hopefully sooner than later. That's the idea of the day. Thank you.